Hi guys, Steph here. What we got for you today? Well, for you people that don't know, let's give you a clue. There we go. You'll know what it is now, won't you? Yes, what we've got for you is a Montblanc Meisterstuck 144 fountain pen. As you can see, comes in this black, what they term as black resin. It's got a gold band just to the bottom here. If we go to the cap there, you can see it's got the word Montblanc Meisterstuck running all the way around the cap there, and it's got the very recognisable Montblanc clip, as you can see there. And as we've just shown you, it's got the Montblanc symbol to the very top, this snow cap, if you like, to the very top there. And what you won't be able to see is we've got the serial number, and then to the left here we've got the word Germany. Okay, now what date is this particular pen? I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a great big fan of Montblancs, but I believe the date of the pen will be around about the 1990s, I would think. But as I say, in gorgeous condition, as you can see there. It's got what we term as a slip cap. Incidentally, the size of the pen capped is 136 millimeters capped. Around the diameter, it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. So if we take the cap off for you, okay, give you a couple of twirls, show you different angles of the pen. Okay, it's lovely and clean. The filling system on this one is what we term as a cartridge converter, which means if we unscrew the barrel for you, there we go. We've got a Montblanc converter, as you can see, lovely and clean. In fact, the whole pen, I think it may have been used. I'm going to say it is a used pen, but it's lovely and clean. There's no remnants of ink anywhere. It's in lovely condition. Now, let's show you the nib on this particular pen, because it's got a lovely nib. It's what we term as a two-tone nib. It's got the sort of the gold on the outside, and inside the silver there is what they term as a rhodium coating. The imprint reads, well, it's got the height of the Mont Blanc mountain, which is 4810. It's got the Mont Blanc logo just below, and then it has 14 karat Mont Blanc 585. Okay, so a lovely, gorgeous nib. Incidentally, I don't know if you can actually see it or how close I can get without it sort of focusing, but it's actually got a lovely left-handed oblique nib. Okay, so it's a lovely oblique nib. Well, I say lovely, I've not tested it yet. And then if we turn it round, there you go, you can see the feed there. And I believe this feed is a slightly earlier. There was a different sort of thinned feed a little bit later on. Okay, so there you go. So that indicates that it might be slightly one of the earlier versions. But all in all, a lovely pen. A lot sort of thinner. I mean, I've got the 149 and I've got the 146, which some of you'll know, some of you won't, is a lot chunkier than this particular pen. This is slightly slimmer, but still a nice, comfortable pen to hold. Now, what we'll do, I'm not going to fill it because we're going to find a new home for the pen, so I'll leave that pleasure to the new owner. But let's give it a dip test and see how it writes. So it's got a Montblanc, it's a 144, and it's also called the Montblanc Meisterstuck. Some of them, I believe, call this the Classic as well. I'm not sure. I'm just going to call it the 144. Made in Germany. And I'm just going to date it around about the 1990s. And as you'd expect, well, as you'd expect from a Montblanc pen, it's writing very nicely indeed and very, very smoothly. Okay, so writing very nicely. What we'll do, as I say, we'll clean the pen, we'll swill it out, because as I say, we're going to find a new home for it. Okay, now also when I found this particular pen in the wild, I also found a 144 rollerball pen. There we go. Okay, so let's undo it. There you go, it's got a rollerball, although it needs a new refill. So what I'll do, I'll actually get a new refill for this particular pen, and once again we'll find a new home for it, or maybe somebody may be interested in both of them together, but they will be available separate. Okay, so you people know what to do, get in contact. Now also, when I found these two particular pens, they actually came with service manuals. Okay, there you go. One of them's actually got the stamp at the back as well, with the sort of registered Montblanc dealer with the number, etc. And that also applies, there you go. The other one's also got it with the serial number as well. So both of these books correspond with both the fountain pen and the rollerball. So whoever sort of decides to purchase them, I'll also send them the service book with the pens. But there we have it, a lovely Montblanc 144 fountain pen with a lovely oblique nib, writing absolutely gorgeous. And we've also got a matching 144 rollerball, both looking for a new home. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens. As always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people, don't forget, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel as well, and don't forget, give the video a thumbs up if you will. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me, I'm going to say bye-bye for now.